Hello friends, welcome to my channel. To grow bowl lotus in your garden, you need to buy lotus seeds. You need to have some pond mat and bowl without any holes, and you need to add water to it. Okay, so the seeds can be bought from online stores. You just check through other buyer ratings. If the ratings are really good, then you can order from that particular store. The seeds you need to soak in water till it germinates. Every day you need to change the water. On normal temperature, it will germinate in 3 days time. You can see the good seeds soak very well in the water. So once the new shoots and roots are well developed, you just plant it into the mud. Okay, lotus needs lots of sun, so you need to keep the bowl in a full sunlight area where there is full sunlight. And to avoid mosquitoes, you need to grow small fishes like guppies into the pond. And lotus, in order to make the lotus bloom, you need to fertilize the mud with lotus slow releasing lotus fertilizers. So bi-weekly you need to fertilize the pond mud. You can, for small bowls, 1 tablet is enough. Just wrap the tablet in a tissue paper and place directly in the pond mud. This won't harm the fish. Once the lotus starts developing aerial shoots, it will start blooming. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.